Hey everyone, and welcome to another Clean With Me video. Before we get into this, I think you can probably already tell I have some really bad allergies right now, so my voice is not 100%, so I do apologize for that. But we have a really fun video today. We're continuing on with Vlogmas. I've been trying to post 3 times a week. Sometimes that works out, sometimes it doesn't, but you know that I really do try for you guys. And today we have a bunch of real life messes, and if you love Kennedy, you'll be in for a treat because she makes a big appearance towards the end of this video and she is so cute. There's going to be a toddler takeover and I know that you're not going to want to miss it. But today I'm starting off in the living room. I'm just getting the sofa all straightened out because every time we sit on it, the pillows and the blankets get all messed up, but it's super quick and easy to fix and it just pulls the room together when it looks nice. Speaking of Kennedy, do you want to hear something so crazy? She actually took her first steps today. That is so exciting. She took her first steps at my mom's house and I wasn't in the room and I was so upset. But then when we got home, she took a few more steps because we were holding toys out in front of her and kind of coaxing her over, and she took a bunch of steps and it's so exciting. I felt like she was kind of a late walker because she is 16 months, but now I'm not worried at all because she seems to actually know how to walk. She just doesn't always want to. She prefers to crawl, but I think that she's getting more and more comfortable with walking. But the thing that she is comfortable with is climbing. We actually caught her on top of the coffee table and that was so funny. I'll put a picture in here, and I promise we grabbed her right off after, but we had to get the picture because it was just so crazy. She just swung her leg up on the coffee table and climbed right up. I wasn't in the room for that either, but Matt was, and it was so funny to hear him yell. And now she's on the coffee table from the other room, and I was like, oh no, and I ran in and this girl is sitting on top of the coffee table. So that just goes to show you they all hit milestones at different times, so I was worried for nothing, but I'm really excited to see how she can just do a whole bunch of things that she couldn't do before. And we're always talking about how she's just growing up so quick and she's not a little baby anymore. She has opinions and thoughts and she lets us know what she likes and dislikes, and it's just so crazy that my little girl is growing up. Now I'm moving on to the kitchen, and I'm going to start by cleaning the kitchen table, and then I will move on to doing some dishes. And I feel like I'm going on and on about Kennedy, but I have another thing that I have to tell you. A couple videos ago, I was pulling a huge box with a car that was broken that we received for Christmas. It's a ride-on car, like a little white Mercedes, but we got a new one and Matt built it and Kennedy absolutely loves it. It was so cute. She was riding around with her teddy bear. I'm gonna get a video of it and I'll probably put it in an upcoming video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But I will put the picture in here. Look how cute this girl is. She looks all grown up with her little car and she has her cute little teddy bear next to her. And I'm so excited to drive her around the neighborhood and have little friends over. And it's a 2-seater, so she can have another little friend in the car. It's just gonna be so fun. Now I'm just finishing up Kennedy's bottles, and it's basically the home stretch as far as dishes go because the rest of these I'm going to rinse off and I'm going to kind of wipe them off, but then they're going to go into the dishwasher. I've been telling you a lot about what's been going on around here, but I want to know what's going on in your life. What's the most fun thing that's happened to you this weekend? You know that I love getting a peek into your guys' life, so let me know in the comments. There's just something about dishes being washed that's so relaxing. I have friends that also have cleaning channels and I love to watch them do dishes. I don't know what it is. It's just so strange. It's just so soothing. Let me know if you're the same way. I will say though, I wish that I could actually wash dishes this fast in real life.
Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die.
Now it's time to get these guys into the dishwasher, just set them and forget them, and move on to other things that I need to clean.
I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare.
Now it's time to clean out the sink, and I did want to really thoroughly clean it today because it just sometimes gets a little bit dirtier sometimes than others, and I have no idea why that is, but this was one of those days, so it was really time to give it a good scrub.
Love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare.
Now I'm gonna walk around the kitchen and just move everything back into place and then wipe everything down. And if you're wondering, I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint Multi-Surface Spray for everything today.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
And the last thing I'm gonna do is put a couple drops of peppermint essential oil in the kitchen sink, and it just makes it smell so Christmassy and so fresh, and I highly recommend doing this. Now it's time to move on to my messy bathroom. The front bathroom that guests use is beautiful right now, but me and Matt's bathroom definitely needs some TLC, so it's time to clear off those counters, disinfect it, and get it all back to being perfect and super clean, and there is nothing like a super clean bathroom. Don't ask me why there are 2 boxes of tissue stacked on top of each other. I couldn't tell you, but we keep it real life around here, and sometimes real life just piles up.
We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
And I know I'm constantly talking to you guys about hard water, but here is proof that hard water just gets into everywhere. Look at that rim around the drain of the sink, and there's like a pink discoloration, but it comes right off if you wipe it off, but it's just so satisfying to clean it up. And here's your warning, if you don't like toilet cleaning, just fast forward a couple of seconds, but if not, my toilet needed to be wiped down, so I'm just going to take care of that really quick.
Don't you need me too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
Now I'm just finishing up in the bathroom, and then we're gonna move on to something super fun that I'm so excited to share with you guys. Kennedy is taking over my channel for a few minutes, and I am just going to talk about how awesome she is. So if you love Kennedy, you're gonna be really excited to see this, and I'm so excited to share this with you. So here we go. And also real quick, this is an upcoming project that I'm sharing on my channel, so you're getting a little sneak peek of what's to come in a few weeks too. So I am here with my sweet little 16-month-old baby girl, Kennedy Jade. Is there anything you want to say? So we are building patio furniture for our little patio. I guess that's self-explanatory. And we got this from Wayfair, if you're wondering. I can link it below if you want. But Kennedy, what do you think of it? I think she likes it, guys, because she was helping her daddy build this. She was there the entire time, and I cut out some of her cutest moments to put in here. And Kennedy, do you want to tell them about how you saw Santa? Say, I didn't like it too much. Here's a picture of me to prove it. Was not the most thrilled. Do you want to tell them about it? She had quite a lot to say about that. That is so funny. Do you want to tell them about how you took your first steps today? Yep, this girl is 16 months going on 16 years. This is super funny. Watch this.
Hand me a couple of the screws right there. I need the number 2. Can you put it in my hand? Can you put it in my hand? Can I have that?
Yep, big huge spill, but it wasn't too hard to clean up. And she is currently crawling away from me, so I think that is all Kennedy had to say on any of this. But she is super sassy and silly. I just love her personality. It is so crazy to see her grow into the person that she is and watch her personality come out. She's just so goofy, as you can see from that clip, trying to bite the cushions on the sofa. She's a little strange, but I think that that's how we can prove that she is ours. But if you are here for toddler takeovers, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you've made it this far, leave me an orange heart, because I love seeing who gets super far in the video. And also just know that you are so appreciated if you did. I feel like I can't talk today. It's the allergies. I hope you forgive me for that. But I will definitely see you in my next video. Hopefully I'll be feeling better. Bye, beauties.